In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event on LinkedIn. Open your web browser and head to your favorite search engine. Type LinkedIn and click the official LinkedIn website. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your feed. If not, log in first so you can create and manage events from your account. On the left side of your feed, look for the Events section and click it. This takes you to the Events area where you can see upcoming items and start a new one. Click Create an event to begin. First, choose your event type, online or in person. Pick online if you'll be hosting through a video platform or webinar tool. Choose in person if attendees will meet at a physical location. Your selection will change the fields. LinkedIn asks you to fill in next. Enter a clear, searchable event name. Aim for something concise that tells people exactly what they'll get, like the topic, the audience, or the main benefit. Then set the date and time. Double-check your time zone so your audience sees the correct start time, and consider giving yourself a small buffer before the official start for setup. If it's an online event, add your external event link. This could be a meeting link or a registration page. Make sure it's accessible and that any permissions are set so attendees can join without issues. Write a compelling description. Briefly explain who the event is for, what you'll cover, and why it matters. Include any prerequisites or materials people should have, and end with a clear call to action, such as registering or adding the event to their calendar. Next, upload a cover image. Click to upload. Choose a wide, high-resolution image that reflects your topic or brand, and then click Apply to confirm your selection. Strong visuals improve visibility and help your event look professional. When everything looks good, click Next to preview. If you're happy with the details, click Post. This publishes the event and shares it to your feed, making it visible to your network. To find or manage your event later, go back to your LinkedIn feed, click Events again, and look under Highlights. Select your event to open it, then click Manage Event to adjust details, invite attendees, or monitor engagement. If you need to remove the event, click Delete Event, and then confirm by clicking Delete Event again. Keep in mind that deletion is permanent, so only do this if you're certain. That's it. Your LinkedIn event is created, shared, and ready to promote.